Hi, coordinate geometry, class 9th, exercise 3.2. In that first question, write the answers of each of the following questions. In that first, what is the name of horizontal and the vertical lines drawn to determine the positions of any point in the Cartesian plane? We know what is the Cartesian plane. It's nothing but a graph we are drawing, graphical representation. So this is the Cartesian plane. What they are asking is what is the horizontal line? That is nothing but x-axis. Horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is y-axis. That's it. Next question. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? These two lines, what is the each plane formed by? We get four planes, that is nothing but called as the quadrants. In a Cartesian plane we have four quadrants: first, second, third and fourth quadrants. Write the name of the point. Third question, write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Where do these two lines intersect? This point intersecting, where do they meet? Two lines. This is called as the, what it is called as, origin. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Okay, now see second question. See figure 3.14 and write the following. First one, the coordinates of B, point B. Look at the figure is given here. The coordinates of point B. If you look at it carefully, what are the coordinates of B? B is over here. Always whenever we mention the coordinates, first we have to look at the x coordinate. This is the x coordinate. Now x coordinates over here, which is -5, and the two meet at the point 2. Y moved 2. So what is the coordinate of a B? The first question is the coordinate of B is -5, 2. The next question, the coordinate of C. Where is the C? B, D, C. C is here. Okay. First we have to check the x-axis. As I said, 5, and y it has moved -5. So C is nothing but 5, -5. The coordinates of C point is 5, -5. The point identify the coordinates. Third question, the point identified the coordinates -3, -5. Where is the -3? Look it here. This is the -3 and y-axis -5. What is the, where did they meet? What is that point identified as? This is point E. Question is so simple. That is the point E. Next, the point identify the coordinates 2, -4. Where is 2? 2 is here. -4 down. The point is G. Okay. Next, fifth one, the abscissa. What is the abscissa? Abscissa, nothing but the x coordinate. Okay. The abscissa of the point D. Where is the D? The D point, the coordinates are 6, 2. The coordinates of D point are 6, 2. In this, which is the abscissa? 6 is the abscissa. Abscissa is nothing but x-axis. Okay, abscissa. 6 is the abscissa and 2 is the ordinate. 2 is the ordinate. Abscissa. Abscissa. Okay. Next, the ordinate of the point H. H is nothing but, and the ordinate is nothing but y. Where is H? Y-axis, how much it moved? That is -3. Okay. Next, the coordinates of the point L. Where is the L point? L point is over here. That means x-axis it doesn't move anywhere. So x is nothing but 0, and in a y it moved -5. So L is equal, the coordinates of L is equal to 0, -5. Sorry, it's not -5, +5. Okay. Always whenever we mention the coordinate, the first point is x. First point is the x-axis. Next point is the y-axis. Even when we are drawing a graph also, it's the same. Next, last point, the coordinates of the point M. If you come to the point M is over here. Okay. So x-axis, that is -3, and y-axis it hasn't moved itself. Okay. So M point is nothing but -3 and y is nothing but 0. It lies on the y-axis. It's lie on the x-axis and it lie on the y-axis. Come to the exercise 2 3.3. First one, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points, they asked quadrant or axis, maybe a y-axis or the x-axis, each of the points minus 2 comma 4 3 comma minus 1 minus 1 comma 0 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus line. Verify your answers by locating them on the Cartesian plane. However, we have to draw it on a Cartesian plane, or else we have the representation like plus and plus, it's the first quadrant. If the minus and plus comes, is the second quadrant. If the minus and minus comes, third quadrant, and plus and minus comes, it's the fourth quadrant. By looking at that also we can make out, but however we have to draw it on the Cartesian plane. Let us draw it on the Cartesian plane. Exercise 3.3, the first one, I'll draw it roughly, right? There's a 0, origin 1 2 3, this is the plus values for the x, and this is the x dash, y, and the y dash. Wherever the y dash is there, minus values will come, we have discussed yesterday. So 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5, this is the 1 2 3 plus. You must do it in a graph sheet, do not do it in on the paper or a notebook paper. Do it on the graph sheet and paste it to your notes. Okay, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 2 comma 4, where is the minus 2? Whenever the points given, I repeat it again and again, minus 2 comma 4. Here first value, the coordinate is given is the x value, and the next coordinate is given is of the y. So x, in x, where is the minus 2? Minus 2 is over here, and y comma 4, that 2 minus 2 here, y here, they meet here. Okay, you can mark it as a minus 2 comma 4 or a or anything else. So which quadrant it lies? Actually it lies, the minus 2 comma first second quadrant, it lies on a second quadrant. Next point, 3 comma minus 1, where is the x-axis? 3 is over here, minus is 1 is here, 3 is here, minus 1 here, so they meet here, that is 3 plus 3 minus 1. So which quadrant it comes? It's the fourth quadrant. So it will be asked for the examination. Now minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0, we know minus 1 is on x-axis, it's here, because y is 0, it's not moved at all. So this is the point, minus 1 comma 0. Now it's not lying on a quadrant, it lies on a which axis? Yes, this is the x-axis. In the question clearly it is asked on which axis, which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lies. So it lies on a x-axis. Next point is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, you know 1 comma 2, it lies here, 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is nothing but the first quadrant. And next, minus 3 comma minus 5, where is the minus and minus value? It comes here. By looking at only we can make out. So it is the third quadrant. Minus 3 comma minus 5 is the third quadrant. Okay, look at the next question. Plot the points x, y given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the, you have to mark it on the graph, that's it. Okay, sometime question will be asked like any 3 points will be asked. For example, maybe 1 point over here, I'll be not marking here, so roughly I'm saying 1 point come here, that is the A point, 1 point will come here, B, and another point will come here over here. If it's the 3 points are given, 3 coordinates are given, so they'll ask us to join these points A, B, C, join this. They'll ask us what shape you got, what shape you obtained. The shape of the obtained is, what is this? This is a triangle. You may get the square also, or maybe the rectangle also you may get. Okay, in the examination a twisted question may be asked like this way. Work out all the problems. I think we have finished this lesson. Thank you. Complete the notes.